Good morning, I'm Grayson, and welcome to another sensational episode of Gems TV Express.
My name is Irene. We have 2 new people this week.
My name is Nisa, and I'm happy to be here.
Hi, my name is Calvin. This is going to be great.
Nisa and Calvin, want to hear a joke?
Just don't scare them away.
Why didn't the mummy have any friends?
Why?
He was too wrapped up in himself.
That's a good one.
Okay, let's get on with the show. Time for lunch.
What's for lunch this week?
On Monday, we have blueberry pancakes, sausage, and eggs.
Yum, breakfast for lunch again.
Tuesday, we have arroz con pollo.
What is that?
It's chicken and rice in Spanish.
Wednesday, we have cheesy breadsticks.
Thursday, we have chopped cheese and steak hoagie.
What is that?
It's a big sandwich.
Friday, we have beef and cheese nachos.
We also have pizza all week.
Except on Wednesday, we have a traditional egg salad sandwich.
Something different every day. Let's look at the celebrations this week.
Who are we celebrating today?
Guess what? We're celebrating November birthdays.
Yeah, let's see who we are celebrating.
Happy birthday, pre-K and kindergartners.
And a very amazing day for these first and second graders.
Congratulations on your birthday, 8th, 3rd, and 4th graders.
Happy birthday, everyone.
Whoa, there were a lot of birthdays this month.
Wait, there's more. We're also celebrating October Proud Principal Awards now.
Keep up the good work, pre-K and kindergartners.
Great job, first and second graders.
Amazing work, 3rd and 4th graders.
Good work making our principal proud this month, students. We have a fun feature this week.
This episode, we filmed the kindergarten Halloween costume parade.
How fun. I remember when we did that.
That was a long time ago.
For sure.
You guys know the drill. Roll the clip.
funny costumes.
So cute.
I wish we could be in the parade.
That would be fun.
We
hope you liked this week's episode of Gems TV Express.
See you again soon on the next episode.
Want to hear a final joke for this episode?
Sure, let's give it a go.
All right.
How do you make a skeleton laugh?
Hmm.
You tickle its funny bone.
Okay, that was an interesting one.
Well, that definitely wraps up this episode.
Until next time, remember to be
Respectful
Responsible
and safe.